is Abigail.
And my name is Isaac.
Today I'm going to be teaching him gymnastics. Let's start off with some splits. And we're going to point our toes and go down.
Ew, this is painful.
Now the other one.
You know it's my first time doing gymnastics, right?
Yeah, Mommy. Now let's do some splits and push it up. Put your hands in the middle and push. If you can't do it, leave your over here on the ground. And let go. And you can go down whenever you want. And go up and let go. So you got this part right, and then you just have to let go. Don't you have any strong muscles there? This is another way to stretch. And now we're gonna point our toes out. Put our hands up. Go down. Let's go back up now.
Okay. Not again.
Let's do this. This how we point
This
our toes.
is so painful.
This time we point our toes and do it.
Ow.
And then we're gonna do this. Put our hands up and go down.
Complicated.
Let me help you a little bit. Okay, put your hands up. Up. And down. Okay, now we're done. Let me show you how it's done. Now let's do some handstands.
Handstands are so hard.
Now we have to do this.
Do what?
This. To make it easier, you can just do it like this.
Oh.
Or you can do it like this. I'm doing it like this.
Oh.
Now the other foot.
Ow. I feel the stretch over here.
Okay. I'm gonna do this and then this one. Oh, and we're over here.
Ow!
But
Am I doing it right?
no, this is supposed to be up and your head just goes down.
Oh!
Now let's do the other leg. Now let's do a cartwheel.
I'm the worst at doing cartwheels.
It's just like you do a lunge and then you do a handstand, then go down.
Okay. Handstand! Oh! Handstands are hard.
It's okay, then just do a puddle jump.
High jumps are easy.
How about one hand puddle jump?
No, I can only do 2-hand puddle jumps.
Do you want to try a one hand cartwheel?
No.
Okay, then we're going to
So not.
let's do a bow and arrow. If you can't do a bow and arrow, just do it like this. Over here. And then now the other leg. Now we will do a bridge. But the easier kind.
Okay.
And up. Now I'm going to do this.
Okay.
Now the other leg.
What about arm circles? It's easy.
Yep, you can do some arm circles.
And then
Go
lift.
back down.
Okay.
And this time our feet is gonna touch our head. Okay, let me help you do it. Your feet just needs to touch your head.
I'm so long.
Okay. So now we're gonna do some splits. Or like, yeah, splits. In the ground and go up. And turn into a rock to relax your body.
Okay, this rock
Yeah,
or this rock.
this rock.
Let me see. The rock is easy. Looks so easy.
Then you stretch out your body. This is another type of stickers. Get out my sticker. It's in
Let me get it out.
okay.
It rips your dress apart.
Here, a penguin. For such a good job. Bye and subscribe for more videos.